Billy with Intermountain Plumbing and Drain. One question we usually get is how to get a faucet to quit dripping. One thing you want to do is open up your cabinets, turn the water shutoffs off. Simply relieve the pressure of the faucet itself, no water coming out. Should have a little Allen set screw right there. You want to get a hold of that, unscrew it. Gently pull off your handle assembly. Go ahead and grab a pair of pliers. And pop your cartridge assembly out. You may have to tug on it a little bit. Depending on the faucet that you have, could be a cartridge style or could just be seats and washers. Simple replacement. Go ahead, put everything back together, turn your water back on.